In this example, we're going to highlight key new features that are available within the modeling side for the VISI software. So we'll start with Splitline. Splitline makes it really easy for you to be able to split your core and cavity plates from the part. It will extract a surface off of them and split it into different groups. So as you can see, right now it splits this along the Z for creating the core and cavities. It will try to detect any kind of slides or lifters in here as well, which you can see by the faces, and we can set unique colors for those slides and lifters that you're going to have within the mold. In addition to setting colors for these, you can also set process directions for where they're going to go. So if I go to this face set right here and select a direction, I can pick an edge on the part and then choose the direction from that edge. That will create that section so it's going to go in relevance to the direction I specified. So you can see how when I do my slider, it is sliding in and out from that process direction. In addition to this, I can also manipulate how the faces are being created by selecting and deselecting highlighted edges. These highlighted edges are what the split line automatically tried to detect for how it's going to separate face lists out. So you can see how I can select these edges and manipulate that section line. So if I want my slide to be this entire area, I can make it this entire area, and it changes that face color and relevance. Now we'll move on to cage morphing. Cage morphing is a tool that makes it really easy to manipulate a CAD model. So if I select cage morphing here, I select the solid part I want to manipulate. It's then going to create a caged point set that I can easily manipulate. So as you can see, here's the cage set, and it's defaulting for X, Y, Z to be 4 points on all sides. I can manipulate this so that way, let's say I can have 10 points in X, 10 points in Y, and 10 points in Z. And you'll see the manipulation real quick here too. This allows you to set more constraints for the manipulation of the cage morphing. So I'm going to go ahead and select a certain point set here. When I select that point set, I can choose which direction I want those to morph. So in this case, I'm bending these all up. And it's using some extra technology in the background to manipulate that. I'm going to repeat this process on the other side, selecting the point set, taking my arrow and dragging it up, and you'll see that it's going to manipulate that side as well. We can even select multiple point sets in here too, where I'll pick the two middles, and I'm going to manipulate or morph the middle areas as well, which makes it really easy to manipulate a model. For example, if you ever had to bend a part, this makes it very easy to bend a part. So it's converted as a mesh right now, but if I go ahead and confirm and let it go through its entire process, it's going to manipulate that part and put it back into its original solid form. So as you can see, here is our existing solid. You can see how it puts it back with the same color attributes, same style, and if I highlight it, it's highlighting as one entity. Please note that advanced modeling is required to use this command. A huge enhancement completed in recent versions involves the solid interference command. If I select this cavity plate with a bunch of components in it, I may get some false collisions. These false collisions are based on a very tight tolerance. Within solid interference, it is now possible to control the tolerance you want it to be set to. In this case, we set this to 1 thou, and you can see how there's no collisions there because we can control the plus or minus tolerance.